There's a surprising type of insurance, a ghost policy, that can leave construction workers without coverage. I'm Katie Bunschoten, President and founder of Certum Solutions, an executive QuickBooks solution provider and business technology firm. We're here to help you sort through some of the issues you may face as a small business owner. In this video, we'll address a topic we're hearing more about in the construction industry, a workers' compensation ghost policy. But before we jump in, be sure to hit the like and subscribe to see more videos like this one from Certum Solutions. You can also get all of the resources and details in the video description below. This isn't tax or legal advice, so consult with your appropriate advisors about your specific situation. Okay, here we go. In the construction industry, there is a reasonably high risk of injury on a job site. It can be a good idea or even a legal requirement for businesses to have a workers' compensation policy that covers employees' injury or illness in the workplace. Enters the workers' comp ghost policy, an insurance policy that covers no one. How's that possible? And why would you even need one? Let's explore this topic. Only contractors or self-employed business owners without employees on payroll can get workers' comp ghost policies. No workers on payroll. Remember, the insurance policy itself will exempt an owner from insurance coverage and therefore only applies to their employees, the employees that don't exist. What's left is an insurance policy that effectively covers a ghost. Ooh. If a contractor with a workers' comp ghost policy is injured on site, that policy won't pay out for medical expenses and care, but it also has satisfied the requirements of the other parties involved. So if a client requires proof of workers' comp coverage, you've got it. It's just not going to do much for you. To continue this, what then is the point of having a ghost policy? Contractors and self-employed business owners may carry liability insurance. That sometimes provides enough coverage for individuals in some cases, but sometimes contractors have to show that they specifically have workers' comp coverage, right? Whether workers' comp insurance is legally required is going to differ by the state. You can find a link to check your local requirements in the video description below. But even if getting a ghost policy could help you comply with state law, it may and probably is not always a good idea. If you're at a high risk of injury, having a workers' comp ghost policy without other liability insurance could cost you down the road. Remember, the ghost policies don't apply to small business owners with employees. So if you hire someone and forget, any new hire you have is not going to be covered unless they have their own insurance, which is improbable. If you own a construction company, you might also be worried about how ghost policies can affect your business. So let's play a little what if, right? Let's say Christine's Construction is a general contractor that's been hired to build a new neighborhood. Okay, Christine has a workers' compensation policy that protects her and her employees from injury or illness on the job. On top of that, she's also requiring all of her subs to show proof of coverage before they can start work. During the home building project, Christine's sub Tomas is injured. Tomas's proof of coverage was for a workers' comp ghost policy, which won't pay out for his medical expenses and care. But if Tomas also has a liability insurance policy in place, he may still be able to submit a claim for his expenses. If he does not have any other policy in place, he collects nothing. In either case, Tomas's certificate of insurance may relieve Christine's Construction of any liability. Of course, the unique details of each situation and state regulations will determine liability, fault, and protection. So consult an attorney to learn more about the benefits and risks of using or accepting workers' comp ghost policies. Check out the video description below for resources and more information, including a link to our blog post about this topic. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it and subscribe to the Certum Solutions channel. Thank you again for watching. I hope to get to talk to you again soon. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us. Talk to you soon.